Hello and welcome to Study with Sumanta. So students, today's chapter is 1, okay, or you can say the lesson 1 of class 2 maths. The name of the chapter is numbers up to 999, okay. So first we can see, first is there, we have already learned up to number 100, okay, in class 1, so that we will revise this, okay, now. So you can see first we have write the number names, okay. So here you can see the number, so you have to write their name in word, okay. So here you can see it is 2-digit number, that is 47, so we can write it in number, in word, that is 47, okay, like this. Then next is your 91, you can write this number in word, okay, that is 91. Then 85, you can write 85 like this. 64, you can write it in word form like 64, okay. So second, you have write the number, so now you have given in the word form, you have to write in number. So 89 means 89, okay, 89. Then B is your 36, 3 and 6, that is 36. Then 99, C number 99, 9 and 9, okay. Then 40, D we have 40, that is 40, okay, we call it as 40. So write the missing number on the caterpillar. So caterpillar mein you have to write the missing number. So there you can see that it is in number line, okay, that is you can say 40, 74, 75 like this, okay, plus 1. So ये नाम जैसे like this 1 2 3, जैसे हम लोग 1 2 3 4 बोलते हैं ना, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, ओके. क्या होता है, ये नंबर लाइन है ना, एक मीन्स +1 ऐड करके जाने से नेक्स्ट जो नंबर होता है तो वही है. तो यहाँ पे ये 3 गैप दिया है, आपको बोलना है, ठीक है. जैसे 74 75, यहाँ पे क्या होगा 76 होगा. देन क्योंकि हमको आगे पीछे देखो, आगे क्या है 75 है, नेक्स्ट क्या है इस गैप का, यहाँ पे गैप था, ठीक है, हमने लिख लिया था. तो यहाँ पे क्या है देखो 77 है, तो 75 और 77 के बीच क्या होगा 76 होगा, लाइक दिस. या इन दोनों अभी 77 और 80 के बीच क्या होगा 78 और 79 होगा, 2 गैप दिया है, तो पुट कर दो लाइक दिस 74 75 76. अभी देखो 75 76 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 लाइक दिस, ओके, नंबर लाइन पे हो जाए. तो इतना हो गया. नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी यूज ऑफ सिंबल, ओके, दिस इज व्हाट स्मॉलर, this is you can say smaller than, मीन्स इस साइड में क्या होगा बड़ा होगा, और ये जो स्मॉल एरो पोर्शन है क्या होगा छोटा होगा, ठीक है. तो अगर इस साइड में क्या होगा ग्रेटर देन, इस साइड में क्या होगा स्मॉलर देन. सो यू कैन से स्मॉलर देन, ग्रेटर देन इजिकल टू, ओके. सो 81 और 91 के बीच बड़ा कौन है, 91 बड़ा है ना, तो कौन सा सिंबल होगा लाइक दिस सिंबल, ओके. ओके, देन बी नंबर यह 38 एंड 40. सो इन दोनों के बीच बड़ा कौन सा है 40 बड़ा है ना, सो ए वाला एरो बड़ा साइड वाला ए यहाँ पे होगा, और 38 जो छोटा पोर्शन है ये कौन सा साइड में, इस साइड में होगा, ओके. सो इन नेक्स्ट यू कैन सी नंबर 69 एंड 96. 96 छोटा है ना, तो ये पोर्शन क्या होगा जो दैट इज 69 इज स्मॉलर देन 96, सो ये सिंबल होगा, ठीक है. देन 22 दोनों एंड 22, दिस 2 नंबर इज इक्वल, नो समान है, इक्वल है, सेम है, दैट इज इक्वल टू. 15 और 21 के बीच छोटा कौन है, 15 छोटा है, तो ये वाला एरो इस एंगल पे होगा, ठीक है, और जो बड़ा पोर्शन है ये इस साइड में होगा, ठीक है. तो ऐसे करके आप डिनोट कर सकते हो 15 इज स्मॉलर देन 21, मीन्स 21 बड़ा है, ठीक है. देन 57 बड़ा है ना 54 से, सो यू कैन राइट दिस ओके, दिस वन. तो 57 क्या है 57 54 से बड़ा है, दैट इज 57 इज ग्रेटर देन 54. सो 5 नंबर वैकेंसी राइट द नंबर जस्ट बिफोर, उसके पहले क्या नंबर होगा, तो नंबर लाइन में उसका पहले क्या होगा -1 कर दो. 32 का पहले कौन सा नंबर होगा 31 होगा. देन 90 के पहले कौन सा नंबर होगा 89 होगा, -1 कर दो. 22 के पहले कौन सा नंबर होगा 21 होगा, लाइक दिस. 48 के पहले कौन सा नंबर होगा 47 होगा. सो बी नंबर देखो राइट द नंबर बिटवीन, इस दो नंबर दिया है, ठीक है. तो 20 का नंबर तुमको बोलना है, ठीक है. यू कैन सी 15 फिर क्या आता है 16 आता है, फिर 17 आता है, तो इसे यहाँ पे ये मिसिंग है, तो क्या होगा 16 होगा ये वाला। देन 35 और 37 दिया है, इसके बीच में कौन सा नंबर होगा? 35 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? 36 आता है, देन 37, तो 36 होगा यहाँ पे। देन 89 और 90 ये तो नंबर दिया है, यू टू राइट द मिडिल वन। ओके, क्या होगा बीच में? 89 फिर 90 देन 91, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा 90 होगा, ठीक है। देन 22, आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ गैप, द नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 24, सो 22 के बाद क्या आता है? 23 आता है, देन 24 आता है, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा 23 होगा, ठीक है। लाइक दिस 77 एंड 78 9 दिया है ना, तो बीच में क्या होगा? 77 के बाद कौन सा आता है नंबर? आता है +1, 78 और देन 78 के साथ +1 कर दो 79 आएगा, और यू कैन राइट 79 से 1 माइनस कर दो कितना आएगा? 78 आएगा, और फिर 78 से 1 माइनस कर दो कितना आएगा? 77 आएगा, लाइक दिस। 53 मीन्स नेक्स्ट नंबर 53, 54, 55, यहाँ पे क्या होगा 54 होगा, ठीक है। जो 20 का नंबर होगा क्या होगा? 54 होगा, +1 कर दो, मीन्स 53 के बाद क्या आता है? 53 आता है, 54 आता है ना, देन 55, लाइक दिस। सो यहाँ पे भी सेम 40, 41, 58, क्या करना? जस्ट एक यहाँ पे क्या बोला? राइट द नंबर जस्ट आफ्टर, इसके बाद क्या आएगा? 40 के बाद क्या आएगा? 41 आएगा, 58 के बाद क्या आएगा? 59 आएगा, 70 मीन्स +1 ना सब। 72 के बाद क्या आएगा? 73 आएगा, देन 29 के बाद क्या आएगा? 30 आएगा, लाइक दिस। ओके, so this is what. So friends, check out the link of some product given in the description below. Okay, if you want you can buy from there. There is number up to 999. Okay, in page 7 we have question 6, that is arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to biggest we have number, no, that means from smallest number to biggest number. So there we have some numbers, we have to arrange them from smallest number to biggest number. Okay, so we have 23, 35, 56, 10 and 41. So we have 5 number, we have to arrange this number into smallest number to biggest number. So we have to start from smallest number, then gradually we will go to the biggest number that we have. So let's start. So first you see how many digit it has. So every number is made of 2 digit. Okay, so you can see every number is of 2 digit number. So in 2 digit number you first do one thing, you just see the value of 10. In the 10 place, what is the value given in the 10 place, and then you see the value that is in 1 place, that is this is the value, no, this is the 1 place and this is the 10th place. Okay, so you see 23, 35, 56, 10, 41. So we have to start from smallest, then gradually we will go to the biggest number. The smallest number we have, you see the 10 digit we have 1, then we have 4, 5, 3, 2. So the smallest will be 1. Then in 1 digit we have, in 1 place we have 0. So 10 is the smallest number in this group. So let's start with it. So 10, then after 10 the smallest, after 10 the smallest will be, you can see 23. In the 10 place we have 2, and in the 1 place we have 3. So 23 will be the second. Then we have, you can see 35, then we have 41, and lastly we have what, 56. In 10 place we have 5, in 1 place we have 6. So you can see, you can compare with the other number. this is the greatest number or the biggest number we have in this group. So 56 will be the biggest number. That means from smallest to biggest. This is the order. Okay. This thing you have already done in class 1. This is just a revision. Okay. Up to 8 will be there is this is the revision portion, and after that we'll start. So B, we have arrange in descending order. Descending order means, what do you mean by descending order? It means it is the opposite of ascending order, that is from biggest number to smallest number. That is descending order means from biggest to smallest. Okay, so we have to see these are the number, like means here gradually you have to write like from biggest number to smallest number. Here you can see NO. No, in short form we use NO. The short form of number we write NO, so don't get confused with it. So biggest number, we will start from biggest number, then we will gradually go to the smallest number. Okay, like this. Okay. So here you can see we have 68, 55, 76, 85, 81. So like this you see all these are 2-digit number. So you have to see first the 10th place, the value of 10th place and value of 1 place. Like this you compare, then you will easily find out what will be the biggest number, what will be the next number, and what will be the highest or the biggest or the smallest number. Like this we can find. Okay, so first we have to descending order. For that means we have to start from the biggest number. The biggest number we have, you can see 10th place we have 8, then 7, 6. So 8 will be the highest. Then we have two number that has 8 in the 10th place. So now you have to see the value of 1 place. So in this number, the value of 10th place, 1 place, we have 5 and here 1. So the biggest will be 5. So 85 is the biggest number. We have to start from 85. Then we have 81. Then we have after 8 this there we have 7. So 76. Then we have 68. Then we have 55. So like this. That means ascending order, smallest number to biggest, or from smallest to biggest, and in descending order it is reverse, that is from biggest number to smallest number. So student, now you see in 7 number, the question is write the number in the expanded form. That means you can see this is the number, it is written in short form now. So we have to write this number into expanded form. We have to expand it. हमको इसको बड़ा करना है, ठीक है? For your understanding, we have to expand it, those number. So first A we have 34. So 34, when we expand this number in 10th place, this is the 1 place, this is the 10th place now. So like this, in 10th place we have 3. Okay, so we have written in 10th place we have 3, in 1's place we have 4. That means 3 into 10 place means the value will be, the value will be 10. So 3 into 10 like this. So we have, that means 30 plus what 4, we have 34. That means 30 plus 4, we will get 34. Like this. In B we have 19 now. So when we expand this number, so we have 10 plus 9. Okay, in 10 place we have 1, in 1 place we have 9. So you can say 10 plus 9 will be 19. Or you can say in 10 place, no, that means this is the 0 place is the 10 place, no, so this is the 1's place, this is the 10, no, that is this value is 10. So whatever the number will be, it will be multiplied by 10, and whatever the number here in 1 place, it will be multiplied by 1. So it is 19, no. So in 10 place we have 1, and in 1 place we have 9. So you can say that is 10 plus 9, that is 10 plus 9, it will be 19. Now we have 92. Do the same thing like this. So in 10 place we have 9, in 1 place we have 2, then it will be, that means 90 plus 2. 90 plus 2 we will get 92. Okay, you get it? Okay, now come to the next, that is 8. What is there? Write the number in short form. So we have to write the number in short form. That means this number is written in the expanded form, we have to write it in the short form. That means whatever we have done it, we have to reverse it, that is opposite of this. So here we have to expand it, we have to expand the number. So this number is written in the short form, we have to expand it. No, we have done it. Now we have the expanded version or expanded form, and we have to write the short form of this expanded form. So that is, you can see 5 10 plus 4 ones. In 10 place we have 5. Okay, that is 50. 10 place, that means what? 5 into 10 and 4 into 1. So what will have? It will be 50. It will be 4. That means 50 plus 4, 54. In B we have in 6. In 10 place we have 6. So write it. In 1 place we have 1. That means 60 plus 1. We will get 61. Okay. In C, you see in the 10 place we have 3. 3 plus, in the 1 place we have 9. That means 3 plus 9. That means what? 10 place value is 10. We have 3. So 3 into 10 we will have 30 plus, in 1 place we have 9. Value of 1 place will be 1. So it will be what? 9. So overall it will form, so 30 plus 9 we have 39. Okay, like this. So नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन में कुछ सामान का लिंक दिया है, आप लोग वो चेक कर सकते हो, ठीक है, एंड इफ यू वांट यू कैन बाय इट फ्रॉम देयर. So today the topic will be number beyond 99. So after 99, what are the number we will get, we will discuss today. So you can see here we have 10 different types of flower. Everyone is different from one another. So that means 10 flower, when you combine it, it will make a group of 10. Okay, that means you have the 10 flower, you combine it or you add or plus the 10 flower, you will add those 10 flower, it will make a group of 10, or you can say like this. Let's say these are the flower, you add, you will get 10. That means this 10 will form one group. That means 10 flower will make one group of 10. That means 10 ones is equal to 110. Okay, 10 ones, that means if you add those 10 flower, individual 10 flower, you will get 10. That is what? 10 ones is equal to 110. 110 means 10. So now come to the next, that is, you can see 10 10, no, that means we have 10 group, and each group contain 10 your plant. That means each group contain 10 plant, and if you have 10 group of 10 group, each group has 10 plant, then you will have 100 plant. Okay, that means 10 tens make 100. Okay, or a group of 100. That means what? One group contain 10 flower, or in this case 10 plant, let's say. So one group contain 10 plant, so you have 10 group. That means 10 to 10 will 100, or you can add, suppose these are the groups, no, you can say these are the groups, you add, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, that means if you add those, add this, you will get 100. That means one group contain 10 plant, and you have like this, you have 10 plant, 10 group, then it will be 100. That is what 10 makes one group of 100. That is what, these are the group of 10 plant, you will add, you will get 100. 10 tens is equal to 100. So now come to the place value representation. Okay, the place value system representation is represented by like this. You can see place value, no, place value means, suppose this is the number, no, what is the place value of 0, what is the place value of 1? Here you can see you have 100, no, what is the place value of 0, what is the place value of this, what is the place value of 1? So like this, place value, that means the whatever the number where it is placed, and the value of that place will be what. So that is what place value system. So we will see the place value system, how to represent it. So you have 0 10 100. So how we represent 100 in this format? So in one place we have 0, in 10 place we have also 0, in 100 place we have 1. You see 100, no? That's how we have to put those number here. So you can see we read number 100, so you can say 100, no, this is 100, 100 means 100. So we read number 100 as 100. So we have 1, that is, you can say 100 also, or you can say 100. That means when we read, we say it as 100. You can see this figure, this is called the abacus. Okay, so the abacus has 3 rods. So this is the abacus, this is a structure contain 3 rod. Okay, this is a structure contain 3 rod, and we have to add those this circle in this rod. So it is for representation purpose only, to understand how we put the number in different place according to their value or place value. So the abacus has 3 rods, 100, one is your 100, 10 and 1. So if we have to represent 100, so we'll represent 100. So in one place we'll put 0, in 10 place we'll put 0. You can see 100, no, in one place we have 0, in 10 place we have also 0, in 100 place we have 1. So this is 1 place 0, 10 place 0, in 100 place we have 1. So like this you have to represent. And one thing you remember, okay, 99, you see this now. So one thing you remember, 99 is the largest 2-digit number. Okay, the smallest 2-digit number will be 10, and the largest 2-digit number will be your 99. So after 99, if you suppose with 99, if you add 1, you will get 100. That means after 99 it will be 3-digit number. Okay, this is the largest 2-digit number we have. Then if you add 1 also, with this number, you will get a 3-digit number. So this 100 is the smallest 3-digit number we have. So this is the 100 is the smallest 3-digit number, and 999 is the largest 3-digit number. Ordering of number. So in that we have first what come just before, okay, just before 341. That means if just before means उसके पहले क्या होगा, तो 341 के पहले क्या होगा, so we have to minus 1 from this number, then we will get this number. So if you minus 1 from 341, we will get 340. So this is the number just before 341. So now come the next number, that is 517. 517 के पहले क्या होगा, -1 कर दो इससे, we will get the number, that is 516. For confirmation you can add 1 with this number also, you will get this number, okay, like this. Same, if you add 1 with this number also, you will get this number. This is a confirmation for, that means just before we say no, so you have to minus 1 from that number. Like this you can say this in serial form, no, 340, then 340, 341, like this, 516, 517 in serial, okay. So now come to the next, what comes just between 337, then we have gap, that means we have to write what come in between 237 and 239. You see the sequence, 37, 237, then you see 39, then 38 is missing, no. That means with this number you have to add 1, from here you have to add 1, and from here you have to minus 1. That is, if you add 1, we will get 238. Then if you minus 1 from 239, you will get 238, like this. So 105 and 107. In between we have 106, plus 1, then minus 1. This number, you will get this number, okay. So in the 3 we have what comes just after. First one you see 630. After 630 you add 1, you will get this 631. That means 630, 631, like this. Just you add 1, you will get this number. Then come to this 479. After this number, just after means उसके बाद next क्या होगा, simple है, एक प्लस कर दो इसके साथ, you add 1, you will get the number 470, what, 79, no, you have 480, like this. So student, so now we will study the next topic, that is comparison of number. So comparison of number, when you have to compare something, then there should be 2 or more thing. In this case we have number, no, so comparison of number. So comparison should be between 2 number or more than 2 number, then only we can compare. So comparison basically need 2 or more number. So there is a symbol we use in this comparison. So we have 3 symbol or sign, you can say. So first is this left side you can see the large portion, and this small, and this right side you can see the sharp, we call it as small. This left portion will be the greater than, and this right portion we call it as smaller than. So whatever the number will in the left side, that is in this portion, that is the large portion, we call it as greater than, and the number it is there in the right side in this portion, in this sharp bits, we call it as smaller than. So in that second symbol, it is opposite of this portion, this left side we call it as smaller or less than, in the right side we call it as greater than, okay. So in the 3 we call it, this symbol we call it as equal to. If both the number is same, then we call it, this number is equal, both the number are equal, like this. So you can see here 5 is greater than 2, we read it as 5 is greater than 2, because 5 is, this portion is representing the larger one, no, greater one. So in there we have 5, and in smaller portion, whatever in the right side, it is representing the smaller portion, no. So we have 2, that means 5 is greater than 2. And in the next we have, it is opposite of this, you can see symbol is just opposite, you can reverse it, you will get, okay. So 2, so now in the left side we are representing the smaller portion, and then in the right side we are representing the larger portion, so the larger number or whatever it is. So 2 is smaller than 5, so we read it as 2 is less than 5. So compare number up to 3 digit. So in class 1 you have compared the digit up number up to 2 digit. No, now we will compare the number up to 3 digits. So you can see first we have 99 is what? Smaller. This is greater, no? This sub is smaller and this greater portion is greater, definitely. So in the left side 99 we have, in the right side we have 121. So 99 is less than 121. 99 is less than 121. So note, you remember this, the number with more number of digit is always greater. That means the number with more number of digit. So you can see it has 2 digit and it has 3 digit. So the number that has more digit in this, it will be the greater. The number that has less digit on it. So 331, you can see. So this is what the number with greater number with more number of digit is always greater. So next we have 331. You can see this is smaller. We have 3 digit. So this will be the, you can say 100. Now you can see this is 100. 331, 440. So 331 is less than 440. So you can see both the number is 3 digit number. That means you can see this, all these are in 100 place, 300, 400 like this. But you can see more the 100 and the number will be greater. The number with greater number of 100 is greater. You can see there we have 300, here we have 400. So like this, the number with greater number of 100 is greater. So friends, if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something, then you please do like the video, share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos.